YouTube, what's on with y'all folks?
All computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
As you can see, this by 8:30 in the morning. Morning traffic. Shit. I decided, why not do a little POV drive as I go to work. Now I will say though, morning traffic in the 239/Lehigh/Fort Myers is horrible. Like, the shit's sorry. It's so bad, cause one, it be helicopters outside. Two, niggas be moving like they don't got nowhere to be. Like, what's the point of you waking up this early if you were just gonna drive so slow for no good reason in hell? It don't make no damn sense. Don't make no damn sense. Y'all let me know if y'all like the POVs with this on or with it off. Cause I seen a person. I seen a person that said they liked it with this off cause it looks, you feel me, less TikTok-y. God damn. See, I really think like the LEDs are hit or miss with a lot of people, cause the LEDs I got in my car, well, the LEDs in general in cars are hit or miss for a lot of people. Switch your hands real quick, you feel me? Cause people like these, but then people are like, it's too much. I'll fuck with it. It's hard as hell. Like the SRT, the Hellcats and them, they come with this. But I feel like the RT Pluses should have came with the same shit. The RT Pluses and the 392 Scat Packs or some of the special edition Scat Packs should have came with this. Not like fully goddamn RBG'd out, but it should have came with like the same little outline Hellcat had, where it's like chrome and then a thin outline of LED around it that do the same thing like the Hellcat. So of course the RT Plus should say RT, but it should be chrome and it should have like a little LED like aura around it.
Yeah, I have aura.
But clearly Dodge ain't do that shit, so fuck them. Did my damn self. Shout out sponsor, man. Shout out Destroying Customs on Instagram. Go hit them up. A lot of y'all folks over on Instagram or in my comment sections, hit on my shorts on my YouTube. Y'all been asking me where I got this from. I got it from Destroying Customs over on Instagram. They are one of my sponsors. Fuck with them bad. I'm finna get some more stuff from them. I'm finna get like the carbon fiber gas panel bit. Finna get that bit. Right now we're in eco mode. I ain't even doing too much just cause I know 12 gonna be on dick. Like as soon as I hit, like right there, 12 gonna be on dick. I already know there's supposed to be 2 niggas posted right there and then 2 more posted down there. Man, they gonna be on dick. That's why I ain't even hit the goddamn throttle yet. Boy, them boys, they just be goddamn 2-handing that motherfucker. Rah, 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 rah. What the fuck? God damn. Just be on that bitch. Give y'all a little song some more eco mode, I ain't gonna lie. A little song some more eco mode. You feel me? And y'all been liking that last video I did regarding the Z Automotive Taser. You feel me? People were like, do the modes actually work? Yes, God. Like the eco mode, I done saved so much gas with this bit. I ain't gonna lie, hold on. Look. That's at 19.8 miles per gallon city. The eco mode just make you stay in 4-cylinder mode like the whole time. You feel me? Like, that shit come in handy like a motherfucker. Cause if you know me, if you know me in real life, or if you been watching some of my videos, and I tell you what my gas mileage is, cause my gas, this car right behind my 2 grand. Fuck. Man, I'm telling you, they be on dick. That little live pull I did, niggas be on dick. I think I'm doing the speed limit though, they can't pull me over. Or for my 10 of course, but yeah. What I'm saying? Yeah, cause if you know me, you know that my damn gas mileage be a damn 10, or it be a 13, or it be a 9. I done had gas mileage so bad one time that my shit was literally a 9, cause shit was so ass. The shit was so ass, my nigga. But with this on eco mode, I've been getting, you feel me, 15, 19. Now, mind you, I did take a trip to, I went to Orlando, so that of course helped my gas mileage. You feel me? That of course did help my gas mileage. But even before, when I took trips to Orlando, like this nigga's really on my tail, like he's on my ass. Y'all see his ass? Hold on, I want to put the camera all the way up so where he can see my camera's all the way up and shit. Like, I'm doing the speed limit, but of course he can pull me over for like fucking 10 or some shit, which is ass. I'm telling you, they be on dick, cuz. They be so on dick over here. Nigga, move, fuck, nigga, move. But nah, what I'm saying? So of course I took a damn trip to Orlando, so it did help my gas mileage a lot. But even, he finna put right next to my, all right, put the phone down, wait a minute. Put the phone down, bitch. He right next to my, wait a minute. Look, buddy. They be bored, cuz. Like, they just be bored. If you ever ride on 82, and you know what I'm talking about, you ever come to Fort Myers, cuz, you go on 82. To come to downtown Fort Myers, they be on dick, cuz. There's one posted right here. There's another one posted right down there, right behind us. But man, the shit be, they be on there. I done lost my whole train of speech, man. What I was saying? Oh yeah, the modes work. Eco mode helped me a lot. Right now I'm sitting at 19.8, I believe. 19.9 right now. You feel me? And I done been on a trip. I done went to Orlando. So yeah, it helped. So that little trip did help. But the eco mode for sure helps. And before, as I said in the last video, I've always had these modes. I just never had this specific little like emoji screen. That's what I'm gonna call it. This is an emoji screen to me, dude. But I've always had these specific modes. Look, I'll put a pop-up of my car before this yard mode. I've always had these modes. Always had these. You feel me? I always had the little things like that. Those come stock in the 2000. I don't know what specific year they started putting them in the RTs, but this car right here is a 2022 RT Plus. You feel me? RT Plus edition, track edition, whatever it's called. So I come with SRT pages, SRT parts, my steering wheels, SRT. So I get a lot of the SRT shit. I just didn't get that specific little page, right? Is he back behind me? Are you back behind? Yo! Cuz, I can't do no POV, man. Damn, buddy, right back behind me, son. What I was saying? Yeah, so I always had the SRT, like the dashboard to where I could change my transmission and all the other whoop-de-whoop, but I never had this specific screen. You feel me? I never had this specific screen. Now, I think it may vary. I'm pretty sure my camera just got down. Hold on, I gotta stop at this red light. I think my camera just zoomed in on itself, so y'all seeing some shitty POV right now. Y'all seeing some shitty POV right now. Give me a second, hold on. Okay, Ben, what I was saying, so I've always had these. I think it might vary, because since I already had the modes in my car and the option in my car, just not the specific little screen, I think all the settings still work for me, but it might not work for like an older RT or some shit that didn't have these modes already. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know how the Z Automotive works for older RTs. This RT is, because they stopped making RTs 2024, right? 2023, 2024. So this model is like 3 or 2 years. No, I'm making it 2023, I think. Ain't it? They did, yeah, 2023. It wasn't 2024. So this model's only 2 or 3 years old to the cancellation date. So I do get a lot of the newer stuff. Only thing I don't have on my car is it being labeled last call. You feel me? That's one thing I don't have technically modeled on my car. But I've also said this in also other videos, but I used to work for Mopar, or an affiliate of Mopar. So I had Mopar information, Mopar stats. I could go inside the system and look at shit. This car could have been a last call label if it was produced a week or 2 later. Like the last calls, I ain't gonna say the specific date because I don't think I can release that information. They were manufactured at a specific date and then labeled last call. This car is 2 or 3 weeks before that manufacturing date. So that's why I said on my thumbnails, you'll see me put last call, just because technically this is the last call. The last call ain't shit but a badge. I ain't gonna lie. If you buy the last call, just know you got scammed. I ain't gonna back to you. But the modes, they for sure work for me. I've always had sport mode. Track mode is the one I did not have. Track mode does make a difference. It makes my exhaust system a lot more, and I do have active valve in the car. It comes automatically with the car. The active valve does come naturally with this car. But in track mode, it feels so much jumpier. Like the throttle response is great. It does not add no horsepower, but it does feel good. You feel me? It does feel good, feel more jumpy. I have not went spinning yet to see if it automatically shifts me like it used to do. You feel me? But I do got some fresh tires right now. I'm trying to save them because I gotta go to Daytona. I gotta go to Daytona this weekend, so I'm trying to save these bitches, but we gonna see. But the modes for me for sure work, especially track mode. Track mode was a mode that I did not come with before. I came with street and I came with sport mode before. My track mode was sport mode. You feel me? That was my track mode before. My sport mode was my track mode. It opened up the valves, it sounded way louder, and it was jumpier. But track mode is like a step above that, and it's way more jumpier. Like last night, it was raining, and I went outside, and I did me a quick little pull. Man, this car went getway. Man, this hoe tried to pull me to the left. I do need alignment too, though. But for sure, the Taser, it does make a difference. I do fuck with it. You feel me? I've had it for the last... It's about to be a week now. It ain't been a week yet. It's been like a few days. It's been like 4 or 5 days with it. So, I do fuck with it. It is hard. Right now, we in downtown Fort Myers. Well, about to be. That's where I work. You feel me? I work in downtown Fort Myers. You feel me? We ain't that far. We in the city right now. You feel me? Right now we at a red light, so I might cut this part out. Or I might just end the vlog in general, because my job ain't that far from here. My job is literally like down the street from here. But yeah, and I damn sure cannot do a pull here. Like, I cannot do a pull here, boy. Cannot do a pull here, because I guarantee you, watch this. Man, there's a cop right by the gas station right there. 7-Eleven, there's a cop right there. There's going to be a cop by the big black Darth Vader building. There's for sure gonna be a cop right there. There's going to be a cop before you hit the Lee County Judicial building. And then there's gonna be another cop right by where I work. Also, that fucking Hyundai was fucked. That nigga wheels are fucked. I don't know what Buddy doing, but shit, I will indeed take that spot from you, but I won't lie. I don't know why you just stopped in the middle of nowhere. If it's so be cars outside though, you see Mustangs outside. Give me a little pull. Ah, you ain't give me a pull, man. You ain't give me a pull, but see what I mean? Look, them boys be outside. If they see your ass, they own your ass. Look at them, fuck ass. Cause they just be outside like a motherfucker, and there's gonna be another one posted up right behind the car. I come here every single morning or every single week, and they just be outside. It don't make it no better, the fact that the precinct is down there. Like, one of the precincts is down there. Like, the whole judicial building is down there, Like, they be outside, they just be on there. Look, there's another one right there. I'm telling you, like, you can't make certain shit up. That's really why I can't even get y'all a pull right now, dude. Last time we did a POV drive, we was in the city at nighttime. We was like inside the city physically, not on like the little, you feel me, this little pathway. And it was deep as fuck there too. Like in that POV video right here, this one, like they was outside like a motherfucker. Me and Scotty were like, damn, we can't do shit. If you ain't never been to Fort Myers, it's the precinct, bro. Like all that building right there you see, all of that. And then down some more, police. Judicial system, lawyers, courthouse, jail, like that's the jail, dude. They just be out this bitch, cuz. It don't make it no better neither. You feel me? Like, they just be outside, digging, just goddamn two handing that bitch, you feel me? Look, right here. It's the whole thing, man. Like this whole script right here, just all this right here is law. All this right here is law, man. The county house right there, courthouse right there, court right there. Like all of this is law, cuz. You feel me? All this right here is law. There's a goddamn challenge behind mine. That'd be hard. Like all of that, cuz. All that shit. Even down there too. Threw up all this, like all this, cuz this whole little area straight law. Look, caught right there. Like, they just be outside. It don't matter the time, cuz they gonna be outside. In the morning, in the afternoon, at nighttime. Goddamn. They just be outside. Shit, they doing their job though. Make y'all money. Shit, some of y'all be dickheads. Some tour be dickheads. They just be goddamn. Niggas piss me off, boy. They gave me a ticket, boy, a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I gotta pay that bill this Friday, dude. Shit ass. I ain't even do the 4-hour class, cause then I was gonna do the 4-hour class, but as I was trying to do the 4-hour class, shit kept getting in the way of that. And then it was confusing too, cause I got the goddamn ticket in Charlotte County. I'm in Lee County. I got the ticket in Charlotte County. Every time I called them for help, niggas ain't picking up. I was gonna do the classes online, the 4-hour little class, gonna knock that bitch out. But the shit wouldn't work. And then when I called for assistance, man, they ain't goddamn pick up. They did not goddamn pick up. And then, let me tell y'all something about these damn lights. Man, the lights in the city, boy. Let me tell you something about these damn lights. You see that light right there? You see how quick that bitch just turned yellow? I'm gonna stay here and end the vlog off here, or end the POV off here, and we're gonna see how long this fucking light takes. Every single morning, this light right here takes so fucking long. For what reason, I don't know. This shit ass. Like, this is my epitome every morning, cuz. I don't like coming downtown, cuz. I really don't. This is my epitome, cuz. This shit ass. This shit is sorry as hell. This is specific. Can I zoom in? Man, fuck you. Shit fucking horrible. I'm gonna end the vlog off for it, end the POV off for it. You can click off if you want to, cuz. I'm gonna literally stay here and keep recording till the goddamn light turn green. And then when I go on and edit this video, I'm gonna see how long this shit took to turn green. What the fuck? Boy, you can't do that. Oh, boy, you can't do that. Oh, Habibi, you can't do that, buddy. Oh, bud. What the fuck? I don't think you can do that. Nigga just turned from bridge lane going in and then turned in that lane. But that lane's a straightaway lane. That lane goes from straight down there, and then all day you can do that, buddy. I ain't gonna lie. That nigga freaky. That nigga is freaky, cuz. Look at it, cuz. We're still here. How long has it been? 2-3 minutes? Maybe 4? We're still here, cuz. Look what time it is. We're still here, man. Shit's a fucking joke. Shit's a fucking joke. We gonna sit in silence until that bitch turn green. Man, editor, cue the goddamn elevator music.